Tired of hidden fees eating into your investment gains? You're not alone. In today's crowded market, choosing the right brokerage is more than just picking a name you recognize. It's about understanding the fine print. Today, we're doing a deep dive into Ally Invest's fee structure and stacking it up against some of the biggest players in the game. Let's get straight to it. Ally Invest is built on a foundation of low costs. For self-directed traders, this is great news. They offer commission-free trading for eligible U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options. While that's become a pretty standard practice across the industry, Ally Invest goes a step further with its options contracts. At just 50 cents per contract, it's one of the most competitive prices out there, often beating competitors like Fidelity and Charles Schwab. But what about other fees? This is where the landscape gets interesting. When it comes to mutual funds, Ally Invest has a low-cost offering. But it's worth noting that rivals like Fidelity and Charles Schwab have a much larger selection of their own no-transaction fee mutual funds. So if you're a mutual fund investor, that could be a significant factor. Now, let's talk about the robo-advisor space. Ally Invest's robo-portfolios have a unique twist. They offer a cash-enhanced portfolio with no advisory fee, but you do have to keep 30% of your assets in a cash buffer. If you opt for the market-focused portfolio, the advisory fee is 0.3% annually, which is still very competitive. Compare that to a competitor like Vanguard, whose digital advisor has a slightly lower fee, but a much higher minimum to get started. And what about those less common fees that can catch you by surprise? Account transfer fees are a prime example. If you want to move your assets out of Ally Invest, you'll be charged a $50 fee for a full or partial transfer. Some other brokers, like Fidelity, don't charge anything for this. So, while Ally is great for day-to-day trading, remember to look at the bigger picture if you think you might need to move your money in the future. Ultimately, Ally Invest is an excellent choice for a low-cost, all-in-one financial solution, especially for those who already use Ally Bank. Its low options contract fees and no advisory fee robo-portfolio are major selling points. But for certain investors, like those who prioritize a vast selection of no-transaction fee mutual funds or want to avoid transfer fees, a competitor might be a better fit. The key is to weigh what matters most to your personal investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.